Your wife doesn't need a physical protector as much as she needs an emotional safe zone. So I hope that you can be that safe zone for her. Make her feel safe to open up to you without the fear of being judged, lectured, or tagaan og correction. Just listen, be the safe zone. Kay bisan unsa pa kalami imong suggestion, wa na siya magkinahanglan ana. Unless siya mismo mo ask nimo, love, what should I do? If wa siya mangayo og suggestion, do not voluntarily give it. Like I said, she already knows how to solve the problem. She already knows. She just needs a listening ear para makapahungaw siya sa iyang overwhelm. Kanang feeling ba nga inigsira niya sa iyang laptop, pwede niya isuka tanan iyang feelings, iyang frustrations, ug tanan nga overwhelming thoughts nga nagpundok sa iyang dughan. So the more you allow her to release her demons and let her words flow out, the less heavy she will feel. Mao ni ang sekreto sa lami nga relasyon. Unburden your partner's heart, unburden them, and you will have a better relationship with your work from home VA wife. In this digital age, your most important job is to be the mental and emotional reliever for your wife. If she feels safe with you, she can survive any toxic client or online work environment. Kaya na niya. Makaya niyang pasan ang kalibutan. If she feels safe in your arms, she can handle more clients even because she knows that she has a safe zone with you.